Quantum League Capital, back with another motherfucking video. And today, guess what, guys? We're back on the win streak. We're back. Well, I don't want to say win streak, but we broke the loss streak and we have a win. Once again, we could have taken more profits out of the market, but I kind of wanted to get back to just getting a win for the day and, you know, getting back on that win column. So we're up $1,000 for the day, and that literally, as you can see, was in between two 1 minute candles. So that took me literally about a minute to make. We're back at $208,000, so we're at 4%. I need 3.5% to pass. And actually we made about $2,000 within the day, because on this account as well we made about $900. So in total we made about $2,000 for the day. Let's just get straight into the trade. As you can see, I already have some of these rectangles kind of plotted out. Let me delete this one real quick, and then let me get the trade history off just so you can have a better view. It looked like we were starting to transition from the higher time frame again. This is a demand that I showed in the last video, or supply, my bad. God damn it. There we go. So we come back into this demand that's been holding for a while, but as we can see on the 15-minute as well, I mean, there's just so many order blocks here. This is 100% an order block. So we start to get this transition. Let's go down to the 5-minute. We tap back into this demand. We start having this wick rejection up here on the 5-minute. We went down to the 1 minute, and that's when we could really see this this order block forming right here. Just a lot of bearish pressure starts to come in, and on the 5-minute it looked really good right there, but this right here is a 5-minute order block as well. As you can see, this wick rejection right here is another good indication, and that's what I had earlier right here, is there's another order block within this order block. So, and as you can see, once price drops, because we got in around here, once it retraces back into that order block. So, and then for a continuation down, it's just pretty simple, guys. Use supply and demand, and also map out these order blocks where institutions and algorithms are getting into the market, because it's pretty clear as day. I'm gonna make a video on order blocks pretty soon, so it's more understandable, but essentially order blocks are when institutions or algorithms get into the market, and what happens is they push price a certain way. But because they push price a certain way to like manipulate it, what ends up happening is they have positions that are in the negative that need to be mitigated, so their positions are no longer negative, and then they can continue to push price even further down or up, whatever they're trying to do. So essentially that's what order blocks and institutional candles are. They're not very complicated to understand. I want to get rid of this one, but I think you guys can see this order block right here with the bearish, bullish, bearish candle. Now this is a pattern that is actually very strong. Bearish, bullish, bearish, or bullish, bearish, bullish. These candles are strong indications that price is going to usually continue higher, and it's a formation of an order block. So yeah, these were pretty much the signs. We just had a lot of rejection. We came into that supply. Once we started rejecting in that supply, in the short term, it was a signal to me plus having all the order blocks and retesting order blocks and the bearish momentum, it was assigned to me that we could take a sell. And ideally my first take profit was right here, and the reason being where this line is, the reason being is because there's a bunch of people buying right there, and all the people that bought are having their stop losses pretty much below this low, so it's gonna more than likely get taken out, which it did. And also this is where there's probably a bunch of sell orders as well, so then when these turn into sell orders, people are getting trapped down here, and then that's why you're seeing price more than likely push higher right now. So yeah, just being aware of where the stop losses are so they can come manipulate it and take people out of the market. But yeah, other than that, just to break it down simply again, push into supply, had wick rejections, started creating order blocks got mitigated, created another order block that was forming, took the trade while in the order block because I kind of could tell the pattern was forming, made $1,000, took our profits just to get back in the win column, and now we've broken the loss streak just like that, and we're back on the board, baby. So 3.5%. We have about 7 to 8 days left. We actually have a little more than that, but I'm just counting the days that I trade since I trade about 4 days a week. So we have about 7 to 8 days left for me. And yeah, let's try to get it. 1,000 to 2,000 a day would be nice. But we'll see what we can get, what the market gives us, and just keep pushing, just keep pushing. So yeah, guys, that's a perfect example of not letting a loss get to you. And if you do have like a bit of a losing streak going on, just take your profits. And look at this, by the way. We just have a massive fucking candle happening right now for some reason. But as we can see, we're kind of forming an order block right here. So this will be interesting. And if this wicks up like this could be a potential bullish order block. And then this could get like mitigated. But as you can see, there were stop losses below this low, by the way. And what did it do? It came and pushed and just took everyone out right there. So that's kind of like what I'm talking about when it comes to manipulation. It happens on all time frames. I don't know if there's news happening right now or something, but this is moving wild. But yeah, guys. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. There'll probably be one tomorrow. So thank you very much. Peace.